So now let's do the same thing without using the controller. For that, what I will do, I will simply get rid of everything, and instead of this placeholder, we will use some default values and then change those values. So what I will do, simply I will create an attribute first, and I will explain you once I write the line. And let's say I give it a label or name equals to first. Okay, and the type will be string, and let's say I give it a default value as get skills. Okay, and close this. Again, I will copy the same thing. So right now I am hard coding the values of first and last name, and then I will change them dynamically. I will show that to you how we will do that later. Last, and the last name should be fast. So it will become get skills fast, the complete name. Okay, so these two attributes has been defined, and we will use these attributes, the values of these attributes, and append them by using input text. So UI colon input text, and label will be equals to, let's say for first we'll label it first name, and for last we will label it as last name, and the value will be equals to v dot the name of the first, the ID, the unique identifier. Okay, so this name becomes identifier for this first attribute, and this becomes for the second attribute. So what we are doing right now, the default value is get skills, but as we type something in this input text, the value of this v dot first will change as per what has been typed in the input text. Okay, we are basically linking this to this by making use of this value property here. And when do we want to change? We want to update on any key press. As I told you, we will be doing this dynamically. So the syntax for that is key up. Okay, I will close this tag here. Similarly, I need for last name. We will not be needing any button or anything here because we have given this event key up. Okay, so any key is pressed, it will dynamically start updating last name and v dot last. So this will go to first, this will go to last. By default, the first name is get skills and the last name is fast. And I want to display in the output, so I can simply have a line break here, and then we can display the output. For output, we have already seen UI colon output text, and value would be again v dot first. Let's give some spacing between first and last, and v dot last. Okay, bracket close, inverted quotes, and the tag, the markup is also closed here. Okay, so what we are doing here, we have defined two attributes, given them an ID first and last, a unique name, and then we have defined these two input text, which is this text is being binded to this one, this text is being binded to this one. By default, the value is get skills fast, but we want to update them on every key up and then display them in output text. So I will save this. We have not used any controller, we have not used any JavaScript here. Okay, and then when I will go to my application here, let me refresh it. You see, first name by default get skills is there, last name fast is there, and it is showing get skills fast. But as soon as I change this, you see how dynamically it is changing below. First name and this is last name. So every key, I am pressing every key up, it is dynamically changing the values. Okay, so it was as simple as that.